Hello and welcome. My name is Bashir Fadl, and on behalf of LearnITCoursesOnline.com as well as LearnJobsOnline.com, I'd like to thank you. We do know that you have a variety of choices of IT training, and you've chosen us, so we really appreciate that and hope that you enjoy it. Thank you. Salesforce, which is an amazing cloud-based CRM, can easily be integrated with many third-party tools to facilitate sales operations of a success-driven organization. Now we're going to be explaining how to integrate with Gmail. Gmail integration. We can integrate Gmail to Salesforce in the following ways using Salesforce, which includes Gmail to Salesforce and Gmail buttons and links. Let's start with Gmail to Salesforce. Gmail to Salesforce lets us log emails on an automatic basis. It lets you log your chats sent by you from your mail account as activities and contacts, leads, opportunities, and other records that support activity history. It is highly important for you to remember that you cannot deactivate Gmail to Salesforce once you have activated it. So how do we activate Gmail to Salesforce? We do that in 3 steps. To activate Gmail to Salesforce, step number 1, enter email to Salesforce from setup in the quick find, and then select to proceeding email to Salesforce. Once this has been done, we need to confirm that it's activated. Step 2, enter the Google App settings from setup in the quick find, and then choose the Google App settings. Step 3, once we have done this, set up a Google Apps administrative contact and Google Apps domain. Thereafter, we're required to save our changes. Now we move to Gmail buttons and links. Gmail buttons and links add Gmail links that are next to email fields on all records. They also add composed Gmail buttons in activity history on contacts and leads. Salesforce automatically logs you into your Gmail account after you have selected a Gmail link or composed Gmail. You can then automatically populate the to field. Salesforce would also populate the BCC field with your email to the Salesforce address if Gmail to Salesforce is activated. So how do we go about the activation of Gmail buttons and links? Activation of Gmail buttons and links is accomplished through 6 steps. Step number 1, we enter the Google Apps in the quick find box from setup. Thereafter, select Google Apps settings. Number 2, click Edit next to Gmail links and buttons in the Activate Google Apps Services list. Number 3, select Active for activating Gmail buttons and links. Number 4, select Gmail links for adding Gmail links next to all emails field. Number 5, select Gmail buttons for adding composed Gmail buttons in activity history on leads and contacts. And number 6, once you have done this, you need to agree to the terms to use and then click Save. Now we're going to discuss Gmail and Salesforce integration and Salesforce Lightning requirements. We start with the requirement for a unique email address, which is in the format of an email, such as text@yourcompaniesname.com. The first item is to log in into our Salesforce Lightning account. So let's go ahead and click on the quick find box in the upper left corner once you have clicked on the setup option. We can search and type Lightning for Gmail and then proceed to select Lightning for Gmail and sync. At this time, we can configure just one or both the products from Lightning for Gmail and Lightning Sync settings based on our specific requirement. Now, it's highly recommended to enable this option to get the best value of Gmail and Salesforce integration. Once all these steps have been completed, our sales team will be required to customize content with Lightning App Builder. Thereafter, you can start using relevant templates to facilitate improved communication instead of simply writing emails from scratch. If you want to utilize the benefits of Lightning Sync, then we can enable the button on the right side. With this, we come to the end of this session, and we'd like to thank you for joining us. And also, don't hesitate to visit our website at learnitcoursesonline.com to leave your feedback and reviews. And also look at our events. We have a lot of free sessions, and we'd be more than happy to have you join at any given time, and also sign up with us for our newsletter. Thank you and have a wonderful time.